How to get GTA San Andreas on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Chrome browser on your device, you can go for any browser. After that, tap on the search bar or the home button over here. And as you do that, you can just tap on the search bar and search for GTA San Andreas over here, and it will land you to the official website of the game. So this is a video game you can see over here. Now you just need to scroll down, and as you can see over here, it is available on different platforms like Xbox and Steam and so on. So you can just scroll down and search for the Steam application over here. So tap on it and you'll be able to see this GTA San Andreas game on Steam platform. Now just scroll down and make sure to enter your birth date in order to make sure that you're eligible for this one, and then tap on view page. As you do that, it will land you to the GTA San Andreas. So just scroll down, and as you scroll down, you'll be able to see that this game is available for you. So you can just sign in and you'll be able to get this game added to the cart by purchasing it into certain cost, and you'll be able to download the San Andreas game on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.